Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add flares in Reddit. Now let's begin. Once you've gone to your Reddit community, scroll over to the About Community section and click on Mod Tools. Scroll down and on the Moderation tab, click on the User Flare. Let us add a flare. You can add flare background as well. And let's click on Save. Let's again scroll down to the Content tab and Post Flare. Again, the same process, add flare background color and save. Sometimes you just have to go to the settings and enable Post Flare. Now let's try to add flares to the users and post. As you can see in the preview section, simply click on the pencil icon, that is Edit, add a flare and apply. You can see the user flare here. And for the posts, look at the bottom of the post. Scrolling over, you will find something like a tag icon. Simply click on it and there is your post flare. Simply click apply. And that's it guys, that is how you add flares in Reddit. Hope you found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.